Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix explorer.exe class not registered error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method one, you just need to go to search menu and type task manager. Click on open it and you just need to scroll down to the bottom. When able to see Windows Explorer, just right click and select restart option. And now check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type a check for updates. Click on open it and select check for updates. And if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date because Microsoft will release the bug fixes. So after updating it, just to close stuff here. If this method doesn't fix, then method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Type here dcom CONFG and press enter. This will open up, expand the compound services and expand the computer, uh, expand the my computer and double click on this dcom config. And if you get yes option pop up, then select yes and after doing that, this will show this like guys, these things will be shown. After that, just to close stuff here and restart OBC. After restarting, check if the problem is solved or not. If not, method 4, go to search menu and type CMD, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for these commands. Just copy and paste it one by one until the second command paste it guys. And this will take some time to finish it. If you get any of these pop-ups like this, then click on this OK option for everything like this. And after doing this, you will get a Windows Future pop-up like this. Select install this future option to install it. After the install done, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for this third and fourth command. Just to copy the third command and paste it. Just need to wait for this command to get 100% complete guys. After getting this completed, just to copy the fourth command and paste it in the same way. After finishing the fourth command, 100% completed. Just to close stuff here and restart our PC. After restarting, our problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.